fertilizer tablets that will make your plants healthy and strong. In a blender, add about half a cup of dried banana peels and grind them into a fine powder. The peels contain potassium and phosphorus, which support blooming. Next, grind about 10 dried eggshells, which strengthen the root system. Place the shells in a jar and fill it halfway with vinegar. Close the jar and let it sit for 1 day. Now grind 1 cup of lentils into a fine powder in the blender. Add this to the bowl with the banana peel powder. Then, add half a cup of dried coffee grounds, which are a great source of micronutrients. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix everything together. Pour the contents of the jar with eggshells and vinegar into the bowl. Mix everything by hand so the ingredients combine. Now it's time for mashed potatoes. Cut a large potato and cook it until soft. Blend it into a smooth puree. Add 1 cup of puree to the bowl and mix until you form a thick paste. Spread the paste on foil and roll it out into a thin layer. Use molds or a glass to cut out small fertilizer tablets. Make a cut with a knife to divide each tablet into 4 parts. Leave them to dry. To fertilize your plants, place a tablet into the soil about 2 centimeters deep. Depending on the plant size, use a quarter, half, or the whole tablet. Finally, just water. Your plants will reward you with lush growth and beautiful leaves. Place a stick into a cola bottle and you'll create something extraordinary. Take an empty cola bottle or any drink bottle and a cotton swab. Cut the cotton swab near the cotton part. Use a screwdriver to make a small hole in the bottle cap. Insert the stick into the cap so that the cotton part is outside the bottle. Apply glue around the stick to make sure it's securely attached to the cap and wait for it to dry. Once dry, unscrew the bottle and fill it halfway with water. Take rubber bands and place 3 at the bottom and 3 at the top. Now, insert 3 long skewers along the bottle under the rubber bands. This will hold them in place. You've just created an amazing watering device for your plants. The cotton tip will slowly drip water, providing the plant with the right amount. This homemade irrigation system is a great way to care for your plants, even if you forget to water them regularly or plan to be away for a long time. 1 tablespoon of this powder can save plants that are sick and tired from the heat. Turmeric is known for its strong antifungal and antibacterial properties. To prepare this plant-saving mixture, take turmeric and add 1 teaspoon to a liter of warm water, then stir. If you've recently transplanted your plant and it needs extra nutrients, add 1 more ingredient. Prepare 100 milliliters of milk and mix it into the water with turmeric, stirring well. Before using this mixture, strain it through cheesecloth to remove any solids. Pour the strained mixture into a spray bottle and apply it to your plants. Avoid spraying directly on the leaves, as this may cause them to dry out. Instead, apply the mixture to the soil or the plant stems regularly every few weeks. Your plants will revive and flourish. Most people make this mistake. This is only taught in floral courses, but today I'll share this trick with you. Usually you use floral foam for flower arrangements. A soaked foam provides a stable base for arrangements and gives live plants long access to water. Let me show you how to soak it properly. Prepare 2 buckets with the same amount of water. Place the same type of floral foam in each bucket. Hold one foam under the water while allowing the other to submerge itself. Then, take the foams out of the water. After removing them, cut them in half with a knife. Forcing the foam into the water creates air pockets that prevent it from soaking fully. As a result, flowers placed in such foam will wilt prematurely. The only correct method is to lay the floral foam on the water and wait for it to slowly soak and sink. The foam will float at first, but after a moment, it will almost completely submerge, changing color to dark green. Cover your plants with stockings. You'll save your plants. Look for old stockings or tights. If they're torn, don't throw them away anymore. Use them for your plants. If you have potted plants at home, you surely take care of them and nurture them. Household members and guests probably admire them. Even small children are interested in them. If you have a cat at home, you take special care of the plants. Cats love flower pots and the soil in them. When you have plants at home, you can avoid many problems and troubles thanks to stockings or tights. The flowers will be healthy, and you'll be able to take care of them and nurture them calmly. Take old tights. Even if they're torn, it doesn't matter. Place them on the plant. Measure the height. Take scissors and cut an appropriate piece of stocking. Put it on the flower pot. Do it from the bottom. A well-placed stocking should cover the soil. This will provide protection to the roots. Now, children or cats won't play with the soil in the flower pot. Such a cover will also ensure greater tidiness. Animals or children won't spill the soil from the flower pot anymore. I spread this on the ground around the hydrangeas. The flowers begin to shimmer with colors. More than that, they bloom longer and keep their intense color. If you are wondering why the hydrangea does not bloom, then try this trick. You literally only need a handful to nourish the flowers. We are talking about a handful of ordinary coffee grounds. They help maintain the proper acidity of the soil. Just sprinkle them around the hydrangea bush. You can also mix them with the soil and mound the plant. Coffee grounds enrich the soil with minerals. The grounds help keep the soil moist. This feature will come in handy during a heat wave. This flower is sensitive to lack of water. Deficiencies lead to rapid drying of leaves and its inflorescences. Above that, a sizable amount of grounds can affect the soil pH. If you want your flower to turn blue, regularly sprinkle the soil around it with grounds. Its heads will begin to shimmer with color. This is a natural trick to get an ombre effect. Hydrangeas can also be watered with coffee fertilizer. Add a cup of grounds to 5 liters of water. Wait until they swell and then water the plant with them. This is an ideal way to water acid-loving plants. 1 spoonful of this syrup is enough to make your monstera grow into a healthy, lush plant. Start by using garlic, a natural remedy with incredible properties. Prepare 4 garlic cloves and slice them thinly. Garlic acts as a natural protector against pathogens that can weaken plants. Place the sliced garlic cloves into a 1-liter jar and pour in warm water. Then add 1 spoonful of honey. Honey boosts immunity and helps plant regeneration. Stir well, seal the jar, and let it sit for a few hours. During this time, the ingredients infuse into the water, creating a powerful natural elixir for your plant. After a few hours, strain the liquid into a larger jar and dilute it with 1 liter of water. Your natural syrup is now ready. Use it to water your monstera, providing essential nutrients that will quickly restore its vitality. To clean the monstera leaves, soak a cotton pad in the syrup and gently wipe them. This helps remove pests while strengthening the plant externally. Apply this syrup every few weeks, and your monstera will reward you with lush growth, glossy leaves, and a healthy appearance.